Heatless curls, here we go. I'm using some old tights. First I split my hair where I want it, then I clip it. When I start grabbing the hair, I make sure I'm pulling tight and keeping tension on the leggings at the same time. I start to intertwine the hair in the front and in the back so that the curls can come out even, or as even as I can make them. You'll see me look super aggressive doing it. But if I don't, then they'll come out loose and they won't last as long. Basically, the tighter the better because they'll last way longer. And just to add, I'm no pro at this. I'm still learning the technique and I'm learning what works for me. I feel like the more I do it, the better the hang I get of it, but sometimes it does take me multiple times, which is a little annoying, but we're getting there. And then when you do the other side, you basically want to do the same thing. Make sure you have tension on your leggings and pulling tight on your hair and basically pulling it around and twisting around over and over again. Don't forget to intertwine the back with the front as much as you can too. That way you can get the back curls as well. I like to use scrunchies on the bottom that aren't gonna rip my hair at the end. A lot of people leave it down like that, but I like to tie it like that. It makes the curls tighter and it makes it more comfortable when you go to sleep. Like and comment for part 2 to see the results. Oh, and don't forget hairspray.